You've probably heard a lot about how carrots are good for your eyes, but you've probably never heard that they also make a cough remedy. Yes, carrots are a great ingredient that removes phlegm when combined with other ingredients. Carrot soup has long been a folk remedy for the cold and flu, but if you're in a rush, you can also enjoy the vegetable as a cough syrup. Most cough syrups contain artificial color, artificial flavor, and preservatives. This toxin-free remedy works just as well and tastes better than any cherry-flavored syrup. Why carrots? Carrots are nutrient-dense, containing vitamins A, C, and K as well as high levels of potassium. Experts have long known that vitamin A plays a role in infection and maintaining mucosal surfaces, like your lungs, by influencing certain subcategories of T cells and B cells, and cytokines. Vitamin C had a reputation for boosting the immune system. Mix in a little honey for antiviral and antibacterial properties. Honey will also coat the throat, making your sore throat less sore and more easy to manage. Carrot cough syrup. It's actually quite sweet and easy to stomach. Ingredients: 1/2 kilogram of carrot, 3-4 tablespoons of honey, 2 teaspoons of freshly chopped ginger. Instructions: cut the carrots into small pieces and place into a small saucepan and add water until they are completely covered. Cook over medium heat. Once it's boiling, add the ginger and boil until the carrots are soft. Strain through a fine mesh strainer over a large bowl. Do not throw away the water. Blend the carrots and ginger until smooth. When the water is lukewarm, add honey and stir until it's dissolved. Add water to the mashed carrots and blend again until smooth. Store in the refrigerator for up to a week. How to use: take 3-4 spoons of the syrup every day until you no longer experience coughing. The syrup should help move out phlegm from your lungs after a day or two of regular use.